So far as I remain the president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs,
more peerful. Me more kwamba Edewo Bagana King TV. Enani da wo hwe na wo subscribe channel no amame share video no fama adofo ni na wo hwe na o share wi abomodin se wo be chewa dwen awo abotre kwan so comment section ho yesu abakwasem amanye ni amamre Ghana hensem nkomo ene yedi Ghana hensem nyina ne headquarters ene ha ene nti ope baabi a wo befunya Ghana ho ahensem ho de yakọ ne de ba atie no kurabu pa de a na ye Ghana King TV. Na onyadafo ene eye 16 June. Na 16 June no se wure fi kakra na ni nyina ne se domahini contempt ya eche no eye no court case ye Kumasi High Court hwehwe no wabeda abontena hu no newspaper mu na ye hu no wo different places bebre se Kumasi High Court chini hwehwe domahini eno nti baabi domahini hyebe wo wiase nyina ne se 16th of June no aye ne omma bepiem awu Kumasi High Court anya sade a court ebetimi atekini decision bia opese wo teki bia nina efa nana sampa mahini nana sangba jafula sampa mahini ya tumfo mahini no ya wafa amane ene amamne kwan bia so se oswan ya jina tum se waye wahene waye hempon kese ye parliament chief sampa traditional council the acting president for nananum kunasofo nyina ene kuromani na agina tum na aka ne gazette se be gazette no amani din akopiem awaban mu na no ene be dane metwema mentwe adomahene ye se wonte ase na samodua ene ye hene wo ho nti wonte ase emana na samajafra ne gazette no emaso eno nti kopiem wo court ho nsem bebre na da yedi hu ankomo na ebewie se contempt ya achidomahene ewo bra court man woda se 21 days onfa nana sangba jafa ne city forms enkopiem wo na hye house of chiefs na yan gazette no yan ni ntum ewo Ghana amahene mu ya wan fanko wotra se ma ne pa ho ene tire wasan ebeye appeal ena yakache domahene se appeal no de ba no sanse the court waka no waka na emom no yense hyew se ko na eko gazette enipa no eye sampa mahene still na domahene anye ama content ye chie no eno so court ahwehwe na se ye de samos le tebema no ema domahene de matwem manfo gina Bono House of Chiefs se omo ebekum eye court registers no etinlen ye bepiemu wo court ana Ghana womam na ne baby bia se court hwehwe domahene no ene ne som eye 16 June no na ne mpanifo kopiemu ewo Kumasi High Court ye nana sampa jafa ne nkrofo ene sabe dia ye Ghana ene domahene na enya ene so domahene ekopiemu ewo eye Kumasi High Court na domahene kopiemu no ensem esi ye de onua esese mekate na abediafo ho ene de sabe yakofa fi social media no so ewo nana ewo sampa traditional council eye wonwa Facebook page. The other say the laws of the country will always continue to be supreme. Who say mine no day? You are now begging. When you say you are a mine, don't show up on 3rd July. Adadi asem naba. Nenti nsema meka ye na tse say mpanifo ba so mo tse say wosi mla ni ho na mla ni country ha. Ana oda wosi mla eye duma ebe duma ewo Ghana ha abrin na domahene ka se woye bema na wo ye ni na no na elimi se ono de yenka obetimi ni aban ayeden atwe esan se obo ne ho asafo se woye judge woye lawyer woni mra owe mra odi mra na fe de domahene pa chew ewo Kumasi High Court yeso wo pa chew wo Kumasi High Court se court mfo ne boni ye den ente no amanu nti ene court hu ne mobo e dia asem no assign akoshe 3rd July abusia let's say for the course no awu Kumasi High Court no na nsɛm no yɛbɛkwa akodi ho nkɔmɔ akɔyɛ mu space pensem bi a previous one nsɛm bi a ɛbɛtwa mu kɔ no yɛtie mu nneɛma bi na ɛwɔ sɛ dɔmahene ankwa de bisi anaasɛ ɔkɔ so akere bɛfi mu ba yɛ ene no court ɛsɛ tu akɔakɔhyɛ ɛyɛ tadula no yɛnkɔ mmrane ba ya ba bedi ɛho nkɔmɔ
dɔmahene etitwa na mutu no ɛhae the fact say ɛhae ni sɛ ɛyɛ mogyasɛm na ɛka and then as long as untimi nka sɛ ɛnyɛ mogya. Now you think you can sit in your chair as a president of the Bruno Regional Association, you can't say more. You can't. Wait a minute. But at the end of the day, the law is the law, and the law will deal with you. Until you have no problem, share them. And then we don't need the chiefs of Bruno in here, Bun for him for. And so no one can say one nation for my him. Some for the best say why nation for my him. One nation for my him.
So there is one general to me no.
That is your conduit at the Bruno Regional chief, and that is why I say. You call a Chidom, a friend saying, I don't take, all of them have, when you were submitting the document, only signing document, I just am to lay some of the floor and then some of my hand. That's that document. So, tomorrow, we believe that the only way you can do is you have to show respect.
Okay.
And they say, Obi Tonan, and now call Shiegu. Now I could to Shana Mutu. If it thinks says take that position. But for now, the court has given the ruling.
Okay.
Say why to let some of the flag. Is your law. Of course, that was the document. Said the bone and Fambra. And to show to mean Tran Patum and as long as I remain the president of Bon Regional of Chief. It's not true.
Okay.
You can't do that. You can't. You can't because the law have directed you and the law has shown. Said do what is right.
So the kind of social
of course, show power, demand to but the law would catch up with you, and the law would deal with you.
Okay. And no more addition no na more crewman na nanomne ade mo sampan. E bebe na mo de mo hye ni mo say enkrata na no regions of Tuesday baba.
You hear na make wadaroma actually officer.
Support send the one shebre. It's mo de nkam susu
for now. Shebi, shewo de ko umfanko. Shebi ne ka she obi aye badwema. Obi aye rational. Shebi obi aye nimde. Nobody should tell you why and for my hand. Nobody. You understand what I'm saying?
It's said you can cry no obi ajutum say omo akasa kwa na ji atu ne mo krata no mo so mo de ba.
So for krata ni mo say ne ampa ya appointed show na ye the friends the headmaster of the Nafana Secondary School. Now the headmaster now 200 person everybody know that you are the newly appointed headmaster. Everybody know because when DS now appoint you. See, once Ghana Education Service has appointed as the headmaster, now the old headmaster.
So
of course, when headmaster and whether they like it or not, whether they be gazette or no gazette, clearly we will be our badjuma to let someone just fly as far as any man for. There are evidence are there. To let someone just as far as a sentiment, the crowd of them, what arbitration, what lose you. And so who are you? You've lost.
Okay.
You've lost. So clear. The fact say we are people and interest no correct. And no correct. Would you two my wow? Sine bear one on two now with you. What brown once now to Shana Muchun. We are there, what do I say? We are there, you got to let someone just fly for my hand. So it doesn't matter how they delay the process of the Gazette. At the end of the day, he is the overlord, and that indeed has been accepted. That witness for my end, and today that's what the confirmation that the court gave. That look, when for document in court, you were in the court, you were in there, you were there. Exactly.
Na me dey na de na me twene ho ne se empudi ye hye ho bre no kora no wo mo ani so na we ya bre na so no na me twene ho
en yehwe sana mrane ye
mo gidie se o mo ye
enti ye ni obia ni ntokwa.
Okay.
You bre ho ase nya se bi ye mamra no of course people are saying nanka se bi yake nanka bi nanka obia fahama na obo we ti no we are not going to do that. But we believe the law will keep on exposing them. And net wadaroma ekokoti emrana shomu uti baby wait me did but it's not people who are going to
you cannot
change it. Ube the day ube say we are kwehia nkrofo
ye doma hene ne nyunuma hene ye no na the contempt of the court omabo court no enimitia the sent no musan ba court ye nka na doma hene ye pe no aserve na emera believe ne koye no ne body guys omo ne ho threaten wo mo omamma kwan amma omantimi an serve wo the sent no na ye pe kwan foforo a ye de be serve na doma hene tie ba enso court egitu mo court aka kire yen se yenko publish nioma no e wo daily graphic mo ne yenfa bin metare court notice board so e wo Kumasi ne yensan fa bin kotare high court e wo Kumasi notice board ne yemfa bentare the Bono Regional House of Chiefs omo notice board na yemfa krata no bi emma officer biara o the Bono Regional House of Chiefs
somo ena anana mo kopie mu court no e de na be free mu aba empo de be free mu aba no eno so so no e be yese de bia e ba ni aba court na ya wa atwenye mu ahwensi ni asamba ni bi ana ne de no e bi shronko me bi foforo bi ni ye hwe ne mu kwan ni nyana
all relevant stakeholders within this country that's Mrani Kasa we are nobody should come pleading say Obi Pacho. We know very well that Domahin will be cited for contempt. Because he our fumra and Obi said and Sani Okruma be our fumra. The Lord will deal with him, and if the Lord deal with him, and Obi Mountain said no. If a banisha, all of us will revolt against this nation because we are saying say there must be rule of law and at all time it must be fair, it must be just. Untimi ka say wo udi asema me o metimi dia di o muntimi find me ye nyina pepepe ye mfa mrantra kroman today the chief justice even try because mra kroman it say chief justice no is not about the law and if you are a high court judge you are not about the law and he say mra kasa now say nyuntuma we will see coming days what will happen and we are very much aware say mra ni bedi
yigina yo didi se emrano be yadwuma ye free hono mo na nyame yadom
wadarma enti na
ye kokoso ewo eye nsem wa judge editu dwa ewa bla ewo say hwedoma na otimi bepiemu ewo Kumasi High Court na court ka say ye N16 for no doma hene mepiemu dia wode no judgment ebeba ada say ebeje wanted ada say ebe jelu abla woni hone ya jelu mabi ebetu bia no straight to eye nsewam ene edo be den edo be ko enu ti se na se domahini timi ko piemu se na lawyers de ko piemu na se ne no odi a chopa akwa akoma eye Kumasi High Court se de waye no waje ne funsuo tum na emum no ebi abibinti se na baaye enu ti court se yo se waje funsuo atum no Ghana ye de mra ene ye adwuma na se de mra no esoso se no eho ene mra no asoso be den ebeko akwa akoda enu ti ye ne adwuma awo High Court ena Ghana mra no sebe minko law school ena minim mra no ye nim ni na aniso na emom judges no ene eye omadwuma amakohu school ayetre omo de omonye na ene ye de adwene se contempt chi obi a na se wo ba o se edu tum ana se bia court boka de na ye mu bi no ye nim no na enam se mimi ni ho bi su ni ho na istalet ana de yate ne se domahene pa chow ewo eye Kumasi High Court se wagine mfunsu wotum se contempt ne ayede ache no enu nti aman emfa ne boni ayede enche no eti asemi ye betwen na sade empanifu omunim de enim de na sade enim se de ane de na sampa manhene na ono aye judge na nkofo na ofasefo na busuanfo nso ni mmra no omode de obia ebeba betu yanim na ye nya bi so aka no mframam ama ye hwefo nyina enso so ayeden ate se ebeye se yempese ye betwantro na court asem de okaka na onokopa wanhwea na edi atimayeren aba abayo ye na de we de ekoso ewo system du no say Sampa Traditional Council the abeto mu page no say the law of the country will always continue to be a supremo. Who say mine no day? You are now begging. When you say you are a mine, don't show on the 3rd July. Our Kumasi High Court. I just say no. Emrano etimejina say asemono ye 2 ashe 3rd July. Eye bosom ye besimu bi onu de toso de toso miensa na tese court say domahene ene Bono House of Chiefs sampa mahene ene omo bia no omo mra mepiemu ewo Kumasi High Court na the court final judgment ya wasan be ka no ofka ni yehu se domahene kodam ana domahene ye tunade so ana se court hye National House of Chiefs force say yɛmfa Nana Sangba Jafra din enhye register no mu ana na afei sampa yehu baabi a sampa sesi ni dibura no ne gina bre no akwakoduru na watimi wakame waye ne sei no na atuotwa ade achi domahin kuro yi ade achi sesi domahin kuro ade achi sesi na yesu mi sa sampa ne baabi wɔn nyina mi so wɔn hene ne Nana Sangba Jafra wɔn na fam na kwa so amane kwa so na wɔbabedi hene na sa modua na nkasa di ne hutumi se ahenye no wɔne hene na ɛna se domahin ne sumahene na hye na ti ɛna ɔmu piano na ama akoda no ni tirim eye ne de ɛna de bia no na akom fa problem bebre so ye de eba yɛsɛ na mo trankonwa mo Bunu House of Chiefs sɛ mo mfa mo nansi hɔ na sese no bunu sɛmo no ya adɔso bunu nkonwa sɛmo no ya adɔso Bunu Chief Justice issues no ya adɔso adan Bunu House of Chiefs no ade adwuma na mudi wo hɔ yenim sɛ aban etete sa region chief region na sɛ ahemfo na region House of Chiefs na aban tete ne sɛ mo nhwɛ sɛ ahensam enka bom impuntuo enkoso ebekugina ɛwɔ region bia ɛno ne aban trimu pa wɔde tete sa ekuokuo no de ɛwɔ hɔ na kame akoyɛ sɛ wohwɛ 16 regions na ɛwɔ Ghana ha no a baabi a wote ne Chief Justice issues no more Bunu region na de bia me bisa me sɛ adan other regions no president na mo hɔ no na bia so na ɛwɔ Bunu region hɔ ana na domahene kasa na ma sɛ bisa me sɛ domahene so yɛ Bunu House of Chief president wɔn makwan wɔn pere ɛna onimra me pa cho position domahene di wɔ Bunu House of Chief no ɛna bia na wɔ Eastern region ana ɛna bia na wɔ Western ɛna bia na wɔ Northern no ne ade ɛkeka ho ana ɛno te dia na ɛkɔso yɛn kɔ ekyikwa na Bunu East hɔ no Bunu East kura no yɛn te ahensɛm problem bia ɛwɔ hɔ yɛn te sɛ wɔ hin wetu te sɛ de bia asundue ɛwɔ hɔ but Bunu region menemo kasɛi ɛdan kwa yɛnya sunyane yɛnya ahemfom yɛnsa wɔhema ase wɔsi hin afei mpanifo sɛ ɔmɛtɛgwan sɛ ɔmɛsi hin ɛne wɔhema asa kosi wɔhen foforo asa bɛka ho ne nyinaa kɔbaba nyina domahene ɛna hye akyi na sɛ domahene sɛm afiri no mba nyinaa kyɛ sɛ asɛm a ɛkɔ so ne deɛ asi wɔ sunyane no sɛ yɛsi wɔhen foforo no ɔne hye akyi enti na domahene udi sampa akyi ubedi sunyane so akyi awie na yɛde wakɔtum ana sesɛi deɛ keka kɔ no afei na wo pa kyɛw domahene akakabe nsɛm ne kasa bebrebe ne memmasɛm no ɛnɛ wo pa kyɛw ewu Kumasi High Court ɛnɛ obiara mehwɛ Bunu Region House of Chiefs ɛnɛ pa kyɛw wo Kumasi High Court wɔtena ase kan sɛ ɔno kɔto ka asɛm a wɔndi ntum wɔtena ase kan sɛ onye wei na sia bedwa nanum nyinaa no domahene ko gya court pa kyɛw na mnim sɛ na wɔnkɔ na deɛ besie na ɛde na asi but ofa akiri pacho enti sa modua fa wesu anansa sa modua fa wetu hofo obi a wo Bunu region bia waso le awudi domahene akyi na mo bodge no so na mo bom nsam na mo ye eduom no ye very careful because mo hene no otu futuo gumanim otu futuo egumanum otwantro onka no kre oka aye beduom hantan kofie kodi areho odwanu mu a na ofa akiri na wakwa pacho ti se ne domahene timi kodina Kumasi High Court etime pacho our black contempt na oye memasem se wonko ni ma matwem afo ye se komo book court registers nya ade nyina ni din ye ade ne pictures bag graphic mo hu safi ade na no ye din so wontu ho na mo ampa de papa bi anko kan che court a betim de na to prison no ene ofa etire akwa pacho obesa be gyan Bunu region ho na ma sa be dwenanum aye ba se de wan na ehwe but ne Ghana King yadika aka tro se Ghana hensem ede yakoma so Ghana hensem nkomo baby bia ne de yakoso bia Ghana hensem bia ebetwa mfoni ede acho entene update yakoso ewo Kumasi High Court efa sampa traditional council sensem no mu gazette sensem na contempt yachi eye domahene fa sa case no no baby akopie no entene de yakosi ya no se 3 July ena omosame pium ewo court na judge enfa final judgment enfa entudwa ewo sa contempt ya achi odoman ehono aha aye Ghana King TV ena ne da hwe ha social channel no share video no for madofo na dofo nyina wo hwe na o share owi a chawadwen enso owo comment section ho no abotre ekwan so meda asesa wademre adaje edi amame ye besan ahia bium owo Ghana King